Hey guys, we received this Coolie Metal non-stick enameled cast iron cookware 3 frying pan set with the 8-inch, 9.5-inch and the 11-inch large frying pan, healthy and the good cooking pan. So really nice weight that I can say, and comes in this protective pack. This can be used in any cooktop and the right pan with a 3-piece set. Very nice quality because I can feel the weight, and the portability is easy to clean and easy to use. As you can see, the coating inside and the handle and everything is comfortable. So because of the base, it can be used with any cooktop, electric or gas. And then as I mentioned, they're easy to clean because I washed one, and then it's pretty nice and easy to clean and use. So I can use it in frying something or any vegetable. But the weight wise, they are really nice cast iron, like pure iron, and really high weighted one.